अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज जो हम टॉपिक कवर करेंगे दैट इज़ द टॉपिक ऑफ गयासुद्दीन बलबन, द लास्ट प्रोमिनेंट एम्परर ऑफ द स्लेव डायनेस्टी। और यू कैन सी द इलस्ट्रेटेड पिक्चर ऑफ गयासुद्दीन बलबन with the courtiers, and you can see that how he is holding his coat. तो ये एक इलस्ट्रेटेड पिक्चर है जो हमें थोड़ा बहुत गयासुद्दीन बलबन के बारे में या उसके कोट के बारे में बता रही है। Now coming to the topic, Ghiyasuddin Balban, who ruled India as the Sultan of Delhi from 1266 to 1287, was one of the greatest sultans of the medieval period. He, like his master Al-Tutmish, rose to the power and became the Sultan of Delhi. यानी अपने मालिक सुल्तान शमसुद्दीन अल-तुतमिश की तरह ये भी नीचे से ऊपर हायर रैंक्स की तरफ गया और एक बहुत ही पावरफुल सुल्तान दिल्ली सल्तनत का बना। His period has been marked as an illustrious chapter in the history of the Delhi Sultanate. यानी उसका जो एक दौर है वो एक बेहतरीन दौर तस्वुर किया जाता है दिल्ली सल्तनत का। Coming to his early difficulties, Balban had to face a number of problems after his accession to the throne. The affairs of the state had fallen into confusion, as well as the prestige of the crown had sunk low due to the misrule of weak and incompetent successors of Al-Tutmish. अब इसमें अल-तुतमिश के जो सक्सेसर्स हैं उसमें रज़िया सुल्तान भी है, उसमें शहज़ादा नासिरुद्दीन है और उसमें नासिरुद्दीन महमूद जो बादशाह है, सुल्तान है, वो भी शामिल है। तो जो है इट इज़ सेड दैट दे वर वेरी इनकॉम्पिटेंट, दो वी कैन नॉट ऐड रज़िया सुल्ताना इन इट, बट स्टिल in the time of Ghiyasuddin Balban, it is said that the crown and its prestige was sunk to low due to the misrule of weak successors of Al-Tutmish. The powers of the noble had increased and the majority of the members of the famous 40 had become disloyal to the throne. यानी अल-तुतमिश ने जो चहलगान, उमराए चहलगान बनाए थे, they were very rebellious and they had become disloyal to the throne. So their power had increased and many of them were against the Sultan. They were proud, arrogant and were jealous of Balban. In other words, in the words of Ziauddin Barni, fear of the governing power, which is the basis of all good governments and the source of the glory and splendor of the state, had departed from the hearts of all men and the country had fallen into a wretched condition. यानी ज़ियाउद्दीन बर्नी कहता है कि सल्तनत की हालत जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब जो है वो हो चुकी हुई थी और उसकी कंडीशन जो है वो बहुत ख़राब थी। मज़ीद वो क्या कहता है, वो कहता है कि द रॉयल ट्रेजरी वॉज एम्प्टी एंड द आर्मी वॉज नॉट वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. The Mongol invasion was imminent as well as the internal rebellions were raising their heads at regular intervals. Such was the critical stage when Balban had been given the responsibility to face and fight. However, he proved himself to be more than equal for them.